Good morning, good afternoon, good evening from any part of the world when una dey listen to me from today. My name na Williams Glory, and I bring una the Open Heavens on the Go for Pidgin. The Open Heavens devotional on our daily message book with the General Overseer of the Redeemed Christian Church of God, Pastor E.A. Adeboye writes. Today na Saturday, 23rd November 2024, and our topic today na the ancient landmarks. Our memory verse dey for Proverbs chapter 22 verse 28, and it talks say, make you no remove the old boundary stone wey your great grandpapa dem take mark where their land for hand. We go see our Bible reading for Jeremiah chapter 6 verse 16 to 17. God tell him people, make una stop and look round, me wey be God don talk. Ask for the old way wey be God own, and make una follow am. But dem answer, dat no be the way wey we go like to follow. Then God say, I choose prophets, make dem guide and warn una about the trumpet sound. But the people answer, we no wan hear anything. Now the message. These days, many people dey wan modernize Christianity. But Bible talk for Hebrews chapter 13 verse 8 say, Jesus Christ na the same yesterday, today and forever. God no go ever change. So those kind people just dey do kalo with their faith. E dey okay to introduce technology enter God work. E also dey okay to use new method to share God good news. But make we no tamper with the old way o. Anytime wey person start to dey explain some of the principles of Christianity wey dey Bible and dey remove some things, that person don dey miss road be that o. For example, 2 Corinthians chapter 6 verse 14 talk clear say, make una no make friend with people wey no be believer. Some youths, because dem wan dey modern, dem go talk say e no bad make Christian marry person wey no be Christian. Dem go come dey claim say dem dey practice Christianity wey no get stress pass how their parents say practice am. This one bad well o, because person wey be unbeliever no go understand the things of the spirit. And for 1 Corinthians chapter 2 verse 14, na we go see this one. And God's spirit go dey against them, or even persecute the believer because of them. Some people dey talk say I be old school, and me I accept am like that. After all, I dey serve Ancient of Days. But I don stand for faith for over 40 years now. While many was up Christians, they don lost finish, and we no see them again. Without old school landmark, you no fit remain strong for faith. Some youths dey talk say their parents too serious with the way dem dey serve God. You fit dey think say some of the things wey dem dey do no dey necessary, but believe me, dem for no achieve the result wey dem get today if dem no serve God with that kind commitment. To deny yourself for the sake of gospel show the level of commitment wey believer get, and God dey reward commitment well. We go see this one for Hebrews chapter 11 verse 6. If you dey keep ancient landmark, I wan encourage you make you continue. Some people fit dey laugh you or even dey call you holy, but you need to stand gidigba for your commitment to God and make you no do mago for God principles. For past, dem laugh me too, but see how far God don bring me now. My brethren, give yourself patapata to God and no compromise for Him standards. The whole world go soon come to the brightness of your rising for Christ. The main point for today's message be say, e better to keep ancient landmarks and make people laugh you pass to accept worldly things and you come fall. I thank una as una lis ten to the Open Heavens on the Go for Pidgin. My name na Williams Glory. Make una enjoy the rest of una day o. Till we go meet again on Monday. Una bye bye.